This demo is going to highlight the features of a really cool new widget that you can add to Socialtext pages and Socialtext dashboards. What you're seeing here is a widget that contains a list of pages and links to those pages. This widget can be used to do all sorts of things like project tracking or organizing content for sales tools, anything you'd like. In this example, I'm going to use it for project tracking. The widget has 4 different parameters that you can control. The first thing is what pages are even showing up inside here. So you can see I have white paper, video, website, screenshots, press releases. There's 5 pages. Clicking on any of these will take me to that page. So these are defined by a tag on the page that tells the widget which pages to display. The second thing you control is the columns, and those columns are controlled by a second tag. So in this case, stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. The third thing you can control is the background color of each of the objects. So you can use a third tag to provide some visual indication of, say, the status of that page. And the fourth thing you can control is in the bottom right corner of each of these page links. You can put a subheading. You can even control the color of the subheading. So let's take a look in this example. I'm going to go into this workspace, and you'll see I have a series of tasks: press release, screenshot, white paper, website, video. These are the 5 pages. Each of these pages is a task in a project. So if I look at this press release, so say my company is launching a product and we have things we have to do. Well, let's go look at the tags. So the first thing that's important is I've configured that widget to show any page in the workspace that has the tag project. So you can see here project. If I go to another one, here's the task for screenshots, you'll see project. The second thing that I'm doing is using a tag to define the state of the task. So stage 2 or stage 3. That could be new, in progress, complete, it doesn't matter. So in this case, you see I'm doing stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, new, in progress, complete. So if we look at this press release, it's in stage 3. Project, stage 3. The 2 other tags, Alan and sales, if we go back and look, press release, Alan is the subtitle, and sales is actually controlling the background color. So in this top widget, I can see there's 3 pages related to sales. Those are the ones that are in blue, and 2 pages that are related to marketing. Those are in yellow. So let me kind of review. We've got 5 pages being displayed in this top widget. There's 1 tag called project on each of these pages, which is what makes it actually show up in the widget. There's a tag on each of the pages that defines what column it shows up in. There's a tag on each of the pages that defines the background color. And there's a tag that says Chris or Alan. So I use that as the subheading. Now, the really cool thing about this widget is it's completely configurable. If we look down at the bottom, this widget is displaying the exact same workspace pages, but in this case, I've said, instead of doing stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, use the tag Alan or Chris to decide what column it is. So here I'm looking at the same projects, but sorted by owner. So Alan's projects, Chris's projects. So if you look up here, Alan is video, Alan is press release, Chris is website, white paper, and screenshots, and there they are. In this case, the background color is the stage. So red for stage 1 or new, yellow for stage 2 or in progress, and green for stage 3 or complete. And in this case, instead of using the subtitle as the name, I'm using the subtitle to say if it's related to sales or it's related to marketing. So the exact same 5 pages in the workspace can show up in this widget in completely different ways. So let me go update one of them just to show you. Let's choose this white paper. And right now it's in stage 1 and it's assigned to Chris. I'm going to click on it. It's going to take me to that. So I could come in here, I could edit this page. I could say, here is the project white paper, And I could attach a file. I'm not going to do that for now just to save time, but I'll say save. I can upload a PDF or something. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change it from stage 1. Let's say it's waiting for review, so I'll go and I'll add stage 2. And now let's go back and refresh these widgets. They auto-refresh at an interval, but I just want to do it quickly here. And you'll see that white paper has moved from stage 1 over to stage 2 in the top, or down at the bottom, it was Chris's project. It's moved from red, which was stage 1, to yellow, which is stage 2. So these same pages are being displayed in these widgets however you'd like to configure that information.